Hello students, hope you all are doing well and enjoying our classes. Today we will do some numericals based on the previous topic we have learned, that is speed, velocity, average speed, acceleration. So let's see how to solve numericals of these problems. Okay, now our first problem is an object travels 16 meter in 4 seconds and then another 16 meter in 2 seconds. What is the average speed of the object? Now here the question is, an object is traveling in the first 4 seconds, it is traveling 16 meter, and in the first 4 seconds 16 meter, and in the next 2 seconds also it is traveling 16 meter. So what is the average speed of the object? Now the formula for average speed, as we have studied in our previous class, is that average speed means total distance by total time taken. Now in the first 4 seconds it has traveled 16 meter, and in the next 2 seconds also it has traveled 16 meter. So the total distance is 16 plus 16, right? That is 32 meter, and the total time is first 4 and then 2. That means 4 plus 2 is 6 seconds. So the average speed formula is total distance by total time. So total distance here is C. So the total distance covered is 16 plus 16, 32, and the total time taken is 4 plus 2, that is 6. And the average speed is total distance by total time, that is 32 by 6, which is coming to 5.33 meter per second. Why meter per second? Because the distance is in meter and the time is in second. So unit of speed will be in meter per second. Okay, so this is our first question. Let's move on to our second question. So in our second question, Usha swims in 90 meter long pool. She covers 180 meter in 1 minute by swimming from one end to the other and back along the same straight path. Find average speed and the average velocity of Usha. Now this question is very important. Here they are telling you to find the average speed as well as the average velocity. Now the question is, Usha swims 90 meter long pool. Now suppose this is the pool, Usha swims, and the length of the pool is 90 meter. So Usha goes from here to here and then back again to the same position. Okay. So from here to here and then back again, she takes 1 minute. So she covers 90 plus 90, 180 meter in 1 minute. And she travels in a straight path. Okay, so what is the average speed? Now the formula for average speed, as we have studied, is total distance by total time taken. So from here and then back again, the total distance is 180 meter and the total time taken was 1 minute. So now here there is a catch. We have to convert the minute into second first. So how to convert the minute into second? To convert the minute into second, we need to multiply it with 60. Since 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, so here the time given is also 1 minute. So it will be 1 minute into 60 seconds. So let's see how can we do this problem. So here total distance covered is 180 meter and total displacement is 0. Why total displacement is 0? Because see, Usha is going from this place and then again she is coming to the same point. Since the final and the initial points are same, hence displacement is 0. Okay. So the average speed is total distance by total time. Now total distance is 180 and total time is 1 into 60. 1 into 60 means 1 meter is converted into 60 seconds. 1 into 60. So it's coming to 3 meter per second. And the average velocity formula is displacement by total time. Now the displacement in this case is 0 since Usha is coming back to the same position. So it will be 0 by 60. Anything by 0 is 0. So you are getting nothing. So here average speed is coming to 3 meter per second and average velocity is 0. So there is a difference between average speed and average velocity. Since speed depends only upon distance and velocity depends upon displacement. Very important point. Speed is a scalar quantity, velocity is a vector quantity. That's why although the distance covered is same, but displacement is 0. Now we will move on to our next question. So the question is, a train starting from a railway station and moving with uniform acceleration attains a speed of 40 km per hour in 1 minute. Find its acceleration. Now here they are telling that there was a train. It was standing stationary in the railway station, and after moving with the speed of 40 km per hour for 10 minutes with uniform speed, what is the acceleration? Now we have studied that the formula for acceleration is final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time, right? That is a is equal to v minus u by t. Now in this case, initially the train was in a stationary position in the platform. So the initial velocity is 0 and then it attains a uniform velocity of 40 km per hour. So the final velocity is 40 km per hour. Now here you have to convert the kilometer per hour to meter per second. So how to do that? So 40 into 5 by 18. To convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, we have to multiply it with 5 by 18. So 40 into 5 by 18, we are getting 11.11 meter per second. Now time is 10 minutes. 10 minutes we have to convert it again into second. So 60 into 10, that is 600 second. Now acceleration is v minus u by t. So v is final velocity is 11.11. Initial velocity is 0 and time is 600. So after calculating this, we are getting acceleration is 0.0185 meter per second. So students, in our next class, I will give you a worksheet to do. Please solve the worksheet and after that we will discuss the solutions. Thank you.